Welcome back to Secret Society Sounds, the go-to source for underground artist education about the music industry. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of tax write-offs for recording artists. As a musician, you know how difficult it can be to make a living from your art. Fortunately, there are many ways you can reduce your tax burden and keep more of your hard-earned money. So, let's dive in and explore 10 tax write-offs that every recording artist should know about. Home office expenses. If you have a dedicated space in your home that you use exclusively for music-related work, you may be able to claim a home office deduction on your taxes. This deduction can cover expenses like rent, utilities, and equipment depreciation for that space. Travel expenses. As a recording artist, you'll likely be traveling frequently for gigs, recording sessions, and other music-related activities. Fortunately, many of your travel expenses can be deducted on your taxes, including airfare, lodging, meals, and even rental cars. Equipment expenses. As a musician, you're always investing in new gear, whether it's instruments, microphones, or recording software. The good news is that many of these expenses can be written off on your taxes, either as a direct expense or through depreciation over time. Professional services. As you build your career as a recording artist, you'll likely need to work with a variety of professionals, including lawyers, accountants, and managers. The fees you pay to these professionals can be deducted on your taxes as a business expense. Promotion and marketing expenses. As an independent artist, it's important to promote and market your music to build your fan base and get your name out there. The expenses you incur for things like website development, social media ads, and promotional materials like stickers and posters can all be written off on your taxes. Education and training expenses. As a musician, you're always learning and improving your skills. The good news is that many of the expenses you incur for things like music lessons, workshops, and seminars can be written off on your taxes as a professional development expense. Health insurance premiums. If you're self-employed as a recording artist, you may be able to deduct the cost of your health insurance premiums on your taxes. This can be a significant savings, as health insurance can be a major expense for many musicians. Performance clothes and costumes. As a performing artist, you'll need to invest in clothes and costumes that help you stand out on stage. The good news is that many of these expenses can be written off on your taxes, as long as they're primarily used for performance purposes. Recording studio expenses. If you're recording music independently, you may be able to deduct expenses related to your recording studio, including equipment, rent, and utilities. You can also write off the cost of hiring engineers or producers to help with your recordings. Charitable contributions. Finally, as a recording artist, you have the opportunity to use your music to make a difference in the world. If you donate a portion of your earnings to a qualifying charity, you may be able to deduct those donations on your taxes. In conclusion, as a recording artist, there are many tax deductions you can take advantage of to save money on your taxes. By keeping track of your expenses and working with a tax professional, you can reduce your tax liability and keep more of your hard-earned money. Thanks for watching Secret Society Sounds. Stay tuned for more industry insights and tips for emerging artists. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. We're excited to bring you the best in new music and share our knowledge with emerging artists. Until next time, keep it locked to Secret Society Sounds.